As you guys know, I love the Infinity Gauntlet, and if you haven't watched my ToyCon Philippines vlog yet, check it out because I was finally able to buy the brother of this bad boy. Guys, we have with us today the Nano Infinity Gauntlet. Whoo! It looks so kick-ass, and I'm excited to unbox it for you guys for this vlog. Let's go! Shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Digital Walker. Digital Walker is the absolute best gadget and electronic store that you guys can, shop in for your speakers, headphones, smartphones, and a bunch of other brands. My favorite product that they currently have is their Marshall set of speakers and headphones. Not only do they look classic and timeless with that very epic, manly Marshall design with the leather, with the grill, and the metal parts. Really nice. But they also sound amazing. So if you guys are looking for speakers, headphones, and even smartphones, they carry OnePlus, just in case you don't know, check them out. Digital Walker. The link to their Instagram account and their Shopee account can be found down below. Guys, please do support the brands that support this channel because they allow me to keep on pumping out content like this for you. So as you guys can see, this has that red Iron Man Nano Infinity Gauntlet over here. This was the same gauntlet I think that the Hulk wore or Bruce Banner wore when he did this thing, and eventually when Tony Stark was able to wrestle the Infinity Gauntlet, of course, from Thanos. So we have the actual gauntlet here, and again, I'm just really excited because when I first saw this pop up online, I really wanted to have it in my collection. It just feels so nice to finally have it here. So as you can see, the print is all over of the gauntlet. It says here Legend Series from Marvel and Hasbro. It also says that it does movie-inspired sound effects, lights up, and all of that cool stuff. Let's get to the unboxing. Woo! So excited. So we have like some sort of manual with the gauntlet and other details here. We will take a look at that more in detail in a bit. Let's just pull this out because, whoa, man, I feel like a kid. I'm really happy that I finally have this, man. Boom! It looks so, oh man, it looks so much better in person than I mean, take a look at that, guys. The glossy red metallic finish, the silver metallic like inlays for the gems that you have for each of the individual gems, the red and gold motif, of course, of Tony Stark that we've seen with this armor. Take a look at that hand. I mean, take a look at the palm, the detail, the black areas over here. Oh wow, whew. Yeah, I'm kind of speechless. It just, oh wait, I'm noticing something. This is the right hand, and the other one is the left hand. Oh, wait. Let me just do it. I have to do it, guys. Before we continue with the unboxing, I just really have to. Boom! Yeah. Whew. Let's keep going on. Like what I mentioned earlier, this should have like a battery part so that the gems would light up. So I think, yeah, this is the panel that we have over here. You need a screwdriver to be able to unlock or unscrew where you put the 3A batteries at. So we have the screwdriver over here. Let's get to work. So guys, are you ready? Because I sure am. So here we have it. Boom! The Nano Infinity Gauntlet from Avengers Endgame. Now, as you guys can tell, the sound is kind of different from the sound that we had from the previous Infinity Gauntlet. So just so you have a comparison, let me get both gauntlets here. So as you can hear, the sound is very different. It's more clanky, it's more metallic, kind of like the original or the OG sound that you would get every time Thanos would close his fist to be able to use one of the gems inside the gauntlet or on the gauntlet. Now just so you can compare, this is the sound that you get with the Nano Infinity Gauntlet. So it's actually more futuristic. You don't get that. Oh, there you have it. That's like when the gems activate. So again, you have very different sounds for both gauntlets. But man, having both of them in your hand really makes you feel super. Yeah, I feel the power. By the way, a few more things before I forget. You can actually lock the fingers in place. So if you want to do a closed fist pose, there is this button over here or this knob that allows you to be able to lock the fingers in place. So you can do a closed fist like this, or you can unlock it again, and you can do like a thumbs up pose if you want. Just lock it like that, or oops, my bad. Or you can also do like a, you know, you can be creative with whatever. You can do like a rocker pose, again the thumbs up or whatever it is, or like a snap. Again, it depends on whatever it is that you want to do before you display the gauntlet. Oh, and one more thing, if you're wondering how I'm operating it, if you take a look inside, they're actually like, I don't know, puppet like circular things that you insert your fingers in, which you use to be able to pull down on the fingers for them to contract, or for the fist to close, or for the fist to open up. So there is like a circular thing per finger that you use to operate the Infinity Gauntlet. The Nano Infinity Gauntlet is slightly more expensive than the OG Infinity Gauntlet. I got this one for a little over 5,000 pesos. This one I was able to buy from ToyCon for a little over 7,000 pesos. Again, shout out to Jamie for being the guy who was there at ToyCon, because I wasn't there during the first day. Now the question is, do I recommend the Nano Infinity Gauntlet? Heck yeah! If you are a collector, if you do love the Infinity Gauntlet, if you love the Avengers, if you love Marvel in general, and you want to have like something in your house to remember the movies by, the heroes by, the story by, these are really exceptional good collectibles. Why do I say that? Because usually, guys, collectibles sell for like thousands upon thousands, sometimes even tens of thousands of pesos. That giant Infinity Gauntlet that you see over here, that 1 out of 1, I mean 1:1 scale, sells for 50,000 pesos or over $1,000. This one is much less than that. It's just like a little over 120, 130 US. And you can even play with it, because that one, it will only stand there. This one, you can, wow, I mean, you can do a cosplay, you can do a bunch of things with this Infinity Gauntlet Nano from Avengers Endgame. And that wraps up our review for the Nano Infinity Gauntlet from Avengers Endgame. Now at this point in the vlog, I just want to share with you guys a few other items that I was able to cop. It's really noisy. I was able to cop from ToyCon. Now I will do like a separate ToyCon vlog wherein I showed the other items that I was able to buy, because I was able to get like a few figures of Broly, but I wanted to go ahead and share with you some of the stuff or the pops that I was able to buy. So this is like the best pop I was able to buy, I think. This is the Super Saiyan Gotenks, which I was able to get from the Big Boy shop, Big Boy Toy Store, not owned by DJ Big Boy Chen, by the way. 1,295 pesos. And I was also able to get myself one of the other missing characters that I had, that I don't have in my collection, which is Trunks, the old version, well, the one with the purple hair with the sword. So at least 2 more pops to be able to add to my Dragon Ball Z Funko Pop collection. And for our power-up words of wisdom for the day, I want to talk about haters. So haters are people who will, you know, do nothing except try to pull you down. Do nothing but throw negativity in your life. Do nothing but pick apart every single thing that you do, complain, and just throw you shade, whatever it is. I don't know if it makes them happy, but they will do whatever it takes to bring you down. Now, what is my advice if you have haters or people who do that? Number 1, you shut them up by being successful. You ignore the negative things that they throw your way, and you listen to the people that are the most important in your life. You listen to your friends, you listen to your loved ones, you listen to your family, especially your family, guys, especially to the ones who love you the most, because their words are the ones that actually matter the most. More than your haters, more than anonymous trolls, more than people who just have nothing to do all day except, you know, be trolls. Here's the reality. If I listen to the people who told me that I shouldn't be doing YouTube, or if that I'm too, you know, out of shape to be doing sneakers, or if that I'm, you know, sweaty and stuff, sometimes when I do my videos, or that I'm kind of like a bonjing or too childish when it comes to my favorite like collectibles and toys, do you really think I would reach this point where I've actually done already 700 videos in the last 15 months, and I now have a YouTube channel that has over 350,000 subscribers. I have an Instagram account that almost has 100,000 followers. I have a Twitter account that almost has like 35,000 followers, and a Facebook page with 16,000 likes. Yeah. I don't think so. So that, I think, is one of the most powerful things that you can do. You snap your Infinity Gauntlet and erase the haters from your life. Why? How do you do that? By making them powerless. How do you make them powerless? By not giving them your attention. It makes them weak, it makes them useless, and it makes them irrelevant. You focus on being you. You focus on being the best you. You focus on the you that's happy. You focus on the you that thrives, that doesn't just survive. You focus on the you that, you know, that's excited to wake up every day to do the thing that you love the most and not give a, you know, not care about people who don't want anything but, you know, the best for you. And it's, here's the funny part. I remember when I hit like the 350,000 subscriber mark, and I had like a couple of haters on the comments. They were talking in the usual smack about me. And then I realized that in terms of haters, you get like, I don't know, like 10, I don't know, 15. But then you realize, hey, I have 350,000 people who are subscribed anyway, who probably like the content. So why will I let the 5 to 10 people affect how I do content for the 350,000 people who like how I do things? So always keep that in mind. So yeah, guys, when it comes to haters, just Thanos snap the heck out of them, move on with your life, charge forward, and live the best you. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I really did. I mean, I had a blast opening the Infinity Gauntlet, something that I've been really excited to add to my collection. I'm actually going to figure out where I'll put it in the wall behind me after this video. So yeah, that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe. We're doing a giveaway. We're giving away like a WTAPS skate high Vans. We're also giving away a Jordan 32 together with Sean Santamaria. Guys, check his videos out. He's a superb YouTuber. If you like my content, if you like the way how I speak, if you like how the way I deliver my style when it comes to the videos that I do, I bet you that you will probably like him as well, because we kind of have the same style. We kind of have the same type of delivery. So I really think you'll like his video. So check him out. The link to his YouTube account can be found down below. And yeah, to be able to win anyway for this latest giveaway, you have to subscribe to both our channels. So yeah, might as well subscribe and enjoy the stuff that he pumps out. Support your Filipino YouTube content creators. Subscribe. Yeah. And with that said, I hope you are all having an amazing week. I pray that you all have a productive, meaningful, and kick-ass week ahead. Remember, Thanos snap the heck out of your haters and keep charging forward to that life that God has called you to live. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom! It just sounds really cool. But anyway, guys, that's it for now. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom!